The Altum Telescopic Pole systems is an in-house development by Cspect, and it's built to perform inspections at height and depth, and this in an easy way. So it is in fact really safe. It omits really the inspections at height and depth. Today we did some visual inspections without entry. It is also really effective because you avoid the costs of staging, erection of cranes or ladders and so on. So it is a really safe way of inspecting, not working at height anymore. The weight is about 5 kg, so it's really easy to carry, and it can reach up to 18 meters high. We have two modules now today. We have a visual module with a 360 gimbal camera, and it can make razor sharp pictures of your construction. Also, we have the thickness module. The thickness module is made to perform thickness measurements up to a height of 18 meters without the erection of any staging and cranes or whatsoever. It is easy to learn. The man from the work floor can perform the inspection. So you do not need high-end robotics or engineers as an extra. Last but not least, the system is not bound to any regulation, so it can be used wherever, whenever.